Meter wire is 10 centimeter long and has resistance of 18 ohm. It is connected to a battery of EMF 5 volt and the internal resistance 2 ohm. Calculate the potential gradient of the along the wire. What is given in the question? That a potentiometer wire of length 10 meter, it has resistance of 18 ohm and EMF of the cell is 5 volt, internal resistance 2 ohm. We have to calculate the potential gradient of the along the wire. L equal to 10 meter, R equal to 18 ohm, E equal to 5 volt, R equal to 2 ohm. Now current in the circuit, I equal to EMF of the cell divided by total resistance, ठीक है, and I equal to 5 plus 18 plus 2, that is 5 by 20 ampere, that is 1 by 4 ampere. Now potential drop along AB equal to I into R, that is I is 1 by 4 and R is 18, and this is what? 2 to the 4, 9 by 2 volt. Potential gradient K equal to V by L, and this is 9 by 2, that is 4.5. Length is how much? 10, and this is 0.45 volt per meter. Two cells of EMF E1 and E2, E1 is greater than E2, are connected as shown in the figure. When potentiometer is connected between A and B, the balancing length of the potentiometer wire is 300 centimeter. On connecting the same potentiometer between A and C, the balancing length is 100 centimeter. Calculate the ratio of E1 and E2. This is the question, that in the first case, this PQ is the potentiometer, and this is a driver cell E, and first of all, with the help of, with this potentiometer, point AB is connected. How it is connected? This and this is galvanometer, and like this one. In this case, balancing length is 100 centimeter. This PJ1 300 centimeter. This is 300 centimeter, right? This is E1. So we know that E1 is directly proportional to L1. So E1 equal to KL1. E1 equal to 300 into L1, ठीक है, क्योंकि यही सेल सर्किट में आ रहा है. अब क्या कह रहे हैं कि when on connecting the same potentiometer A and C, और इसी पोटेंशियोमीटर से A और C कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो A और C कनेक्ट करने का क्या मतलब हो गया कि नाउ आई एम कनेक्टिंग, दिस इज E1 E2 A एंड C. अब A और C को कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो दिस इज गैल्वेनोमीटर, and when I connected with the C, then I am getting balancing length at 100 centimeter. अब balancing length पहले से कम आ रही, क्यों आ रही? क्योंकि E1 and E2 are connected with opposite polarity. E1 और E2 के अपोजिट पोलरिटी के साथ है, तो नेट EMF कम हो जाएगा, तो बैलेंसिंग लेंथ भी क्या होगा, कम हो जाएगा, राइट। तो when these are connected then the balancing length is 100 centimeter. Now E1 minus E2 is directly proportional to L2. E1 minus E2 equal to KL2 and E1 minus E2 equal to how much, 100 K. Sorry, यहाँ गड़बड़ हो गया, this will be K. ठीक है। नाउ E1 minus E2 by E1 equal to 100 by 300 and 1 minus E2 by E1 equal to 100 by 300 and after solving you will get E2 by E1 equal to 2 by 3 and E1 by E2 equal to 3 by 2. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. In the figure, a long uniform potentiometer AB is having constant potential gradient along its length. The null point for two primary cells of EMF E1 and E2 connected in the manner shown are obtained at distance 120 centimeter and 300 centimeter from the end A. Find first E1 by E2, second position of null point for the cell E1, and third how is the sensitivity of potentiometer increased. This is the potentiometer AB. When the E1 and E2 are connected with opposite polarities, देखो यहाँ प्लस है, ये माइनस है, फिर माइनस, फिर प्लस, राइट. तो 120 आया और जब ये सही तरीके से सीरीज में लगे हैं तो कितना लगा है, कितना आया है, 300 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर, ये सीरीज में लगा है. दिस इज E1 प्लस E2, E1 प्लस E2 के लिए 300 सेंटीमीटर है एंड E1 माइनस E2 के लिए दिस इज द 120 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक. नो लेट इन दिस क्वेश्चन K is the potential gradient in volt per centimeter. ठीक है. नाउ E1 प्लस E2 इक्वल टू 300 K. भाई जब ये सेल सही ऑर्डर में लगे थे तो सीरीज में थे, दोनों का EMF ऐड हो जाएगा एंड EMF इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू L1. तो यहाँ पर 300 K हो गया. सिमिलरली फॉर दिस, ये अपोजिट ऑर्डर में लगे हैं कुछ, राइट. ये करंट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में फ्लो कर हो रहा है इन दोनों की वजह से. तो E1 माइनस E2 इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा, 120 K. ठीक है. नाउ सॉल्विंग दिस व्हाट यू विल गेट, E1 इक्वल टू 210 K and E2 equal to 90 K. Now E1 upon E2 equal to 7 by 3. ठीक है. Now second is position of null point for the cell E1. तो E1 equal to 210 K. ठीक. Now for balancing length of E1, L1 equal to E1 by K और E1 की वैल्यू कितनी है, 210 K. तो आंसर विल बी 210 सेंटीमीटर. द sensitivity of potentiometer can be increased by increasing the length of the wire or by decreasing the potential gradient. ठीक है. चलिए. A cell gives a balance with 85 centimeter of potentiometer wire. When the terminal of the cell are shorted through a resistance of 7.5 ohm, the balance is obtained at 75 centimeter. Find the internal resistance of the cell. In this question, a cell of EMF E, ठीक है, and is connected with potentiometer AB. Just imagine that when E1 is connected, then we are getting balance length at 85 centimeter. ठीक. Now it is short circuited with 7.5 ohm. Then we are getting balancing length at 75 centimeter. ठीक है. तो E1 equal to KL1, E1 equal to 85 K and E2 equal to KL2, E2 equal to 75 K. ठीक है. And this E2 is equal to what? V. So V equal to 75 K. K is the potential gradient. Now formula for small r equal to E upon V minus 1 into R. E कितना हो जाएगा? That is here E is E1. तो 85K divided by 75K minus 1, external resistance R is how much? 7.5. This is 7.5, that is 85 divided by 75 minus 1 into 7.5, and this is equal to 1 ohm. ठीक. This is the question based on the internal resistance. Formula क्या यूज़ किया हमने? स्मॉल r इक्वल टू L1 अपॉन L2 माइनस 1 इंटू R.